Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to automatically forward Yahoo Mail to Gmail. So first you have to log in to your Yahoo account. This is your Yahoo account. Now what you're going to do next is you have to look for settings. So tap this three dots, go to settings. Under settings on the left side, you have to look for mailboxes. Tap on mailboxes. And below you will see here add mailbox. So all you have to do is to click this one right here. As you can see, this is my Yahoo account and I have to add. Now you have to click or tap Google since the tutorial is all about how to automatically forward Yahoo Mail to Gmail. So you have to enter your Gmail account right here. Make sure that this is the correct one. And then after you have added, you have to read the following information below. And once done, tap on the next button below. Wait for a couple of seconds as it is connecting to your Gmail account. So make sure that this is the correct Gmail account and then tap on continue. Wait for a couple of seconds and you will see your Gmail account below. So you have to first let Yahoo to have access to your Gmail account. Tap on continue. And then again, wait for a couple of seconds and you should see your email or Gmail account below your Yahoo Mail. And basically, that's it. If you have received a message, you can automatically forward your messages from Yahoo Mail to your Gmail. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.